Study the following information carefully and answer the questions that follow. 8 speakers L, M, N, O, P, Q, R and S are to be subscribed to speak in 8 slots, one after the other, the first 4 in the morning session and the rest after the lunch break in the afternoon session. It is also known that P must speak in the afternoon session, R cannot be the first speaker in a session, M and N must be awarded consecutive slots, not necessarily in the same order, MN. It can either be MN or NM, that's what it means. Q and O must not be scheduled to speak in the same session. So this is the information that is given to us. So let us just note down this information that we have and then we will try to solve the questions that follow. So what is given? There are 8 speakers and they have to speak in 8 slots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 4 slots in the morning and 4 slots in the afternoon. Now what is given? P must speak in the afternoon session. So P must come here. R is not the first speaker in a session. So R cannot come in the first position or in the 5th position, right? R cannot be the first person in a session. Then M and N must be awarded consecutive slots. So M and N should come together. Either it will be MN or it will be NM. It can be any of the slots, right? Nothing about the slot is mentioned here for M and N. Q and O must not be scheduled to speak in the same session. So what does that mean? If Q is coming in the first session, then O will be in the second session. Similarly, if O is in the first session, Q will be in the second session. That's what this line means. So this is all we know based on the given information. Now let us look at the question. So the first question says, if N is the 6th speaker, which of the following slots could be allotted to R? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 8 slots. If N is the 6th speaker, so what is the slot that is allotted to N? 6, 7, 8. N is the 6th speaker. So where should M be? M will be in the afternoon session, right? M will either be in 5 or in 7 because I know either it has to be MN. The sequence has to be MN or NM. So obviously M is the one of the persons in the afternoon session. Then we need to know what is the slot that is allocated to R. See, R cannot be in the 5th place. R cannot be here also, that you already know. Now, who are the people who are going to be in the afternoon session? I have N, M. I also know that P should present in the afternoon session only. P should always come in the afternoon session. So already 3 places are occupied. Now there is 1 place left. Who will come in this 1 place? Either O or Q will come, right? One of them has to be in this session. If O is in this session, Q will be here. Or if Q is here, O will be here, right? Any one of Q or O will be there. So who are the people who are going to be there in the afternoon session? I will have N, M, P and Q or O, one of them, right? So these are the 4 people who are going to come in the afternoon session. So very clearly R cannot be in the afternoon session. So these 2 options are gone already. Now I also know that R cannot be in the first place, right? Of any session, R cannot be the first in that session. So this is also not possible. So where is the only possible place where I can keep R? It can be in the 3rd position. Next question. Which of the following in order could be a possible schedule for the morning session? So again, what is the information that we know? I am just writing it down here. See, I know P will come in the afternoon session and I know Q or O, one of them will be in the morning and one of them will be in the afternoon session. I also know that M and N should come together either as NM or MN. They should be consecutive. Okay. Now look at the first option. What is the question? Which of the following could be the possible schedule for morning session? Now can this be a possible schedule? No, because P cannot be in the morning. P has to be in the afternoon session. So not possible. R, O, Q, S. Again here in the morning session O and Q are coming together. Is that possible? Not possible. O and Q should be, one should be in morning and one should be in afternoon. So this is not possible. Look at this one. S, M, N, R. Here M and N are coming together, that's fine. But we know that in the morning session either Q or O should be there. One of them should be there and the other person will be in the afternoon session. Here Q is also not there, O is also not there. So this is not possible. So this is your only possible scheduled. Q, R, S, N. So in this case, 5th session can be M, right? So it works, right? Still N and M are adjacent, or they are consecutive sessions. So your correct answer will be option C, Q, R, S, N. If the first two speakers are S and M, which of the following can be true? So what is given here? First two speakers are S and M. So you have two more persons in the first slot, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 people in the next slot. So P will come here. In the first slot, Q or O should be there. Similarly here also Q or O should be there. And again here, since M is there, we know M and N are consecutive. So if M is here, then N has to be here. This has to be N. So the person who will come here is either Q or O. Okay. So what are they asking? If the first two speakers are S and M, which of the following can be true? Which can be true? Can L be the fourth speaker? No, the fourth speaker has to be Q or O. So this is not possible. R is the fifth speaker. Can R be the fifth speaker? No, not possible. R cannot be the first person in any slot, right? Any session. So this is 5, 6, 7, 8. So R cannot be the first. So R cannot be in 5, not possible. N can be the seventh speaker. Can N be the seventh speaker? No, N is already in the third place. How can N be in the seventh place? Not possible. So who is the Q can be the sixth speaker, which is possible. Q can be here. It doesn't violate any other condition. So Q can be in the sixth place. So your answer is option C, Q can be the sixth speaker.